Hey guys, I'm Rachel, the producer of this video, and I have a few tips for you when making your crostata. It's super important to chill your dough before you roll it out, so don't skip this step. When you put cold butter in the oven, it produces steam, which results in a flakier crust. If you can't find fresh cherries near you, you can definitely use frozen instead. Just make sure you thaw them out and drain the excess liquid before putting them in the crostata. Or if you don't want to use cherries, swap them out for any fresh fruit that's in season in your area. And lastly, don't worry if your crust isn't rolled out into a perfect circle. A few rough edges will give it more of a rustic look and nicer presentation. And that's it. I hope you make this crostata and enjoy it as much as I did.